Well, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari made an interesting remark that seems to have set the cat among pigeons. Speaking at an event, Gadkari claimed that he was approached by a senior politician from the opposition ahead of the Lok Sabha polls with an offer to support him as the prime ministerial candidate. Gadkari went on to say that he declined the offer as becoming the prime minister was never his aim, and he has a loyalty to his conviction which he wouldn't ever compromise on. Listen in to what he said.
मला एक अशीच अचानक घटना मी नाव नाही सांगत कोणाचं ते म्हणाले की इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर वी विल सपोर्ट यू म्हणलं वाय यू शुड सपोर्ट मी अँड वाय आय शुड टेक युअर सपोर्ट टू बिकम ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज नॉट एम इन माय लाइफ आई एम लॉयल टू माय कन्विक्शन एंड माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज फॉर एनी पोस्ट बिकॉज माय कन्विक्शन ये मेरे लिए सर्वोपरि है। कभी ना कभी मुझे लगता है कि ये जो कन्विक्शन है यही हमारी भारतीय लोकतंत्र की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है।
So this was a statement that was made by Nitin Gadkari, and he went on to say that he was offered support if he was a prime ministerial candidate, but he went on to say that he didn't want to take it up. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, the opposition has already latched on to this statement by Nitin Gadkari. Many of the opposition leaders, including Rashid Alvi, praising Gadkari and even making comparisons to the Prime Minister.
Very interesting statement, I would say. And also, there were speculations that there are camps within the BJP ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha elections. And if there is no majority, then the prime ministerial candidate can be also, changed, or other leaders can be can be an option for that. These were the speculations among the BJP leaders and also among the opposition. But now Mr. Gadkari has made it clear that he was in fact approached, and many of the camps in the BJP were even saying, and not just the BJP, there were opposition leaders who would wanted Mr. Nitin Gadkari to be declared as prime ministerial candidate. However, BJP was one unit, and they unequivocally stood behind Prime Minister Narendra Modi and said that only he can be the prime ministerial candidate. And this is exactly happening. This happened exactly just before 2024 Lok Sabha elections. All this came, there's a background to it. There was apparently Mr. Nitin Gadkari had criticized several government departments and ministries for the work, and there were also political developments happening in the BJP that time. There were a lot of speculations, and those speculations were used by the opposition that time, and it is at that time that this particular leader must have approached Mr. Nitin Gadkari. And as you heard him rightly, he said that I cannot compromise on anything because I have a conviction, I stood by my organization, they have an ideology and they have to stand by it, and this is what makes the democracy healthy, and this is why we celebrate Indian democracy. He was talking about the ethics in politics and in journalism. He was speaking in Nagpur at an award function, and this is exactly where he, this is a revelation, I would say, by Mr. Nitin Gadkari, that even opposition was thinking that if there could be another prime ministerial candidate, they would know that they're not going to come as the largest political party. BJP was very sure they're coming back with a majority, and what opposition was fearing here is the comeback of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with full force. They were fearing that, and this is exactly why they were reaching out to various leaders in the BJP, creating or trying to at least creating fissures in the party, which became impossible after Mr. Nitin Gadkari rejected the proposal.
Okay, all right. Pragya, stay with us. You mentioned that the opposition has in fact latched on to this. Let's also play them out for our viewers. The opposition is now heaping praises at Nitin Gadkari. The opposition went on to even compare him to Prime Minister Modi. My colleague Ankit spoke to Rashid Alvi, who praised him to the moon. Sanjay Raut also saying Nitin Gadkari is somebody who is accepted by cutting across political lines. Listen in.
It is only Gadkari ji knows. He should disclose the name of that person who has asked him to support him for prime ministership. And definitely, he has done a lot for the country. He is very competent minister, and he will, in case he becomes prime minister, with the help of any political party, he will be better Prime Minister than Narendra Modi ji. There is no doubt at all. So I do not know whether he will become Prime Minister or not, whether any political party will support him or not. I do not know. But it is very true, he will be a better Prime Minister than the present Prime Minister of the country. What I mean is, when it is the government of Bharatiya Janata Party, I am not saying that he is the best in the country. What I am saying, if it is BJP government, among all of BJP leaders, he is a better person. Gadkari and Rajnath Singh, both the persons are better persons, and if one of them becomes Prime Minister, definitely people will praise them. Gadkari has not given even a single statement which is objectionable. He has never criticized Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He has never criticized any leader of who is no more in now. So definitely he is a better person, better minister, and he has done a lot as a minister also. So it is my considered opinion that he will be a better Prime Minister than the present Prime Minister of the country.
Well, we have breaking updates now coming in. Controversy over what Nitin Gadkari has said, with the UBT Sena now saying that Nitin Gadkari was only trying to send out a message to the Prime Minister. A tweet that has come in from Shiv Sena UBT that has jumped into the controversy, stating that Nitin Gadkari seems to be saying his desire. After the Congress party praised Nitin Gadkari, the Uddhav Sena says that Nitin Gadkari is in fact trying to send out a message. So the tweet that has come in from Priyanka Chaturvedi hints that it's a message for Prime Minister Modi. Listen in first to what Sanjay Raut has said.
बघा, नितीन गडकरी हे एक भारतीय जनता पक्षातले सर्वमान्य असे नेते आहेत आणि पंतप्रधान पदासाठी तडजोड करा असं त्यांना कोणी सांगितलं असेल असं मला वाटत नाही. मुळात या देशात ज्या पद्धतीची हुकुमशाही, एकाधिकारशाही सुरू आहे, ज्या पद्धतीचे एक प्रकारे आणीबाणी लावण्याचा प्रयत्न गेला 10 वर्षापासून सुरू आहे, त्याविरुद्ध त्याच्याशी तडजोड करू नका, त्या प्रवृत्तीशी तडजोड करू नका, ही भूमिका त्यांच्याकडे जर कोणी मांडली असेल विरोधी पक्षातल्या प्रमुख नेत्यानं, तर त्या चुकीचं असं मला वाटत नाही. किंबहुना आज जे सरकारमध्ये बसून सध्याच्या या देशातल्या मूल्यांशी तडजोड करतायत, लोकशाही असेल, स्वातंत्र्य असेल, न्यायपालिका असेल, तो एक राष्ट्रीय अपराध आहे असं मी मानतो. आणि नितीन गडकरी या सगळ्याच्या विरुद्ध सातत्याने बोलत राहिले, आवाज उठवत राहिले, आपल्या भूमिका मांडत राहिले. म्हणून जर त्यांना कोणी विरोधी पक्षाच्या प्रमुख नेत्यानं, ज्या नेत्याला ते फार मानतात, त्यांनी जर हा त्यांना काही सल्ला दिला असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये फार पीडा होण्याचं कारण नाही कोणाला.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. To take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.